Hello students, welcome back. This is class 4th math and today we will do question number 5, write in words of unit number 3A. Before this, in our previous questions we had given the number name and that number name we had to write in figures. But now in these questions we have given this figures and this is we have to write in number name in words. So let us start. Your first one is given 12000. So how we will read it? We will start from right side. So how we will read it? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now this is so one shows the place of 10,000 and 2 shows the place of 1,000. It means both these digits showing that it is 10,000 plus 2,000, 12,000. So how we will write in words? 12,000. Then B1, it is given numbers 3, 7, 8, 6, 9. So how we will write this number in words? Students, you can see clearly that there is a space in between the digits. Here, this space is keeping the difference between the periods. Now this is showing the ones period and this is showing the thousand period. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So according to the periods of each digit, we will write this in words. So at ones 9 is given, at 10 6 is given, at 100 8 is given, at 1000 7 is given, at 10,000 3 is given. So how we will write this number? As 3 7 shows 37,000. 37,869. So 37,869. Like this way we will write in words. Just take care of spellings. In C it is given 98704. So how we will write this? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It means 98,000. And this is 704 as comma is put in here. So this is ones period, this 1,000 period. So 98,704. So we will write this like this way in words. B1 64005. Again you can see space between two periods. Ones period, 1,000 period. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 64,000. 00 means 100 and tens place it is 0 and ones place 5. So 64,005. 64,005. Similarly E1, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So how we will read it? 70,101. And we will write like this way, 70,101 in words. In F, it is given 4,0,0,0,0. So how we will read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. It means this we will write as 4 lakh. It shows lakh place. This 4 shows the lakh place. So we will write 4 lakh. Similarly G1, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Students, you can see the space in between the different periods. This is ones period, this is 1,000 period and this is lakh period. So how we will read? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. It means 5,43,210. Like this way we will write. H1 2608,000. So how we will read it? ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It means it shows till 10 lakh place. So how we will read it? 26 lakh and only 8,000 is given. So we will write 8,000. 26 lakh and 8,000. We have digits 8, 5, 4, 7, 9, 2, 7. So let us see the places of each digit. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the different periods you can see: ones period, thousand period and lakh period. So how we will read this large number? At lakh period shows 85 lakh, then thousand period shows 47,000, then ones period shows 927. 85 lakh 47,927. J. The digits we have 94,00500. The places of these digits are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 94 shows 10 lakh place and 5 shows 500 place. So how we will write this number? 94 lakh and 1000 place is missing. So we will write 94 lakh and 500. K. 5533999. So let us see the places of all these digits. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this 2 5 shows till 10 lakh places, and this 3 shows 1000 and 10,000, and this 3 9 shows 100, tens and ones place. So how we will write this number? 55 lakh 33,999. 55 lakh 33,999. L. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. It means 7 at lakh place, 94 at thousand, 10,000 place, 6 at hundred place, 8 at tens place and 3 at ones place. So how we will write this large number in words? 7 lakh 94,000. 7 lakh 94,000. 683. 683. The next number is 900,000,000. So let us see the places of all the digits: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here 9 is given at crore place and other places are given 0. So how we will write this in words? As 9 crore. N. 85479,270. Now some space are given in between the periods. So how we will read the places? Ones, tens, hundred shows ones period, 270, 1000, 10,000, 79,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 54 lakh, 8 crore. So how we will write it? 8 crore 54 lakh 79,270. Like this way we will write. O. 53216,842. So let us see the places of all the digits: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So how we will write it? 5 crore 32 lakh 32 lakh 16,000 16,842. 16,842. So students, this we have written the word For the given numbers, these are the number names in words for these digits, for these figures. Do practice it. In next video we will continue with question number 6.